everyone! How are you today, guys? I hope you have a good day, guys, to all of us. Let's have a coffee. How are you today, guys? Kumusta ang lahat? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, people out there. To all our dear friends. And good morning din sa lahat ng mga ka-friends natin. Good morning to all and good evening to another friend. And some another friend. Oh no? Ano yun? Ay, nako guys. Kumusta kayo guys? Heto pa tayo guys, ang morning natin. Coffee time. Wala man tayong ano ngayon guys. So, hindi pa ako nakapunta doon sa kabila. Para magbili tayo ng ano guys. Tinapay, wala akong time pa. So, yun lang guys. Coffee lang muna tayo kasi pagkatapos mag-ano naman din tayo guys. Breakfast. So, yun lang guys. Have a